Turmeric, the orange-colored root has been used in traditional Indian cooking for centuries and is now being recognized for its powerful healing qualities, including its ability to fight inflammation and aid in warding off certain diseases. And now, we've got a totally new use for the spice that may seem otherwise unlikely: whitening your teeth. Oral health is complicated, and while we all know that bright, sparkly pearly white teeth are essential for a flawless face, commercial teeth whiteners pose other dangers to your oral health and can increase the likelihood of you developing issues like gum disease, gingivitis, enamel and tooth decay, and even receding gums. Turmeric is an all-natural alternative to pesky chemicals that can instead benefit your oral health in more ways than one. Not only will turmeric make your teeth whiter, but it can actually help you ward off gum disease and reduce any inflammation of the gums and mouth. Some studies suggest that this could be because of the main active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that protect against gum disease and gingivitis, all while reducing the buildup of plaque and bacteria on the teeth and along the gum line. Other studies suggest that it may even be a great all-natural solution to the mouth pain associated with conditions like periodontitis and oral cancers. Here's how to use turmeric for teeth whitening. Recipe and process. To use turmeric to whiten your teeth safely, you'll need to make sure not to overdo it. The process outlined below can be used over the course of a few days, and you shouldn't repeat it more than once per day, as this could cause damage to your enamel. There are a few ways to include turmeric in your oral care routine. The first is to make your own whitening treatment using turmeric powder. Keep in mind, turmeric is a spice that is quite potent in taste, so if you're not a fan of having that taste in your mouth, you can try adding some mint oil to your turmeric powder. To make your own turmeric teeth whitening mixture, simply dish out a small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and add your mint oil, if desired. Brush your teeth as usual with regular toothpaste, then using a wet toothbrush, lightly dip it into the powder mixture. Apply the wet turmeric powder to your teeth and gums. Allow the turmeric powder to sit on your teeth for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Next, brush your teeth again with toothpaste, and you're done. The information contained is intended for informational and educational purposes only. Consult your doctor or healthcare expert before you try. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.